Welcome to a SCOPUS video tutorial on using your author profile data on other platforms. In this example, you are Christopher Tuck and have navigated to your SCOPUS Author Details page. You are interested in using the data featured here on other platforms, such as ORCID, NIH My Bibliography, and Science CV. You decide to begin with ORCID, so select Connect to ORCID. You arrive on the ORCID website. You can now either log in to your existing profile, or if you have yet to register for ORCID, follow the on-screen prompt to do so. Once logged into ORCID, you can complete the import process. When an ORCID is associated with a SCOPUS profile, viewers can see the link to that ORCID on the Author Details page. Note that connecting your SCOPUS profile to ORCID does not create an automatic feed from SCOPUS to ORCID or vice versa. Users still need to manually import newly published articles to ORCID on a regular basis. Now you wish to use your SCOPUS profile ID to sign into Mendeley. Select Is This You?, which will take you to the Mendeley login page. Once you have logged in or registered, please follow the on-screen prompts. Additional support can be found in the web help guides at mendeley.com/guides. Finally, you decide to add your documents to your NIH profile. As a first step, you export your documents from your Author Details page in SCOPUS. Just above your list of documents, navigate to Export All, or if you previously selected Mendeley as your preferred reference management software, Save All to Mendeley. Whichever option is displayed, click on the link to open a new screen. Select RIS Format as your method of export, then scroll to the left-hand column and select Citation Information. You are now ready to export. Next, you log into your NIH account and import the RIS file to your Manage My Bibliography area. For additional help on this topic, please refer to the SCOPUS help files.